grateful people? Where are the grateful people? Where are the grateful people? I need to know where.
Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to make Hulk 3D goodie bags. Let's just go ahead and start. On Design Space, we're going to go to Images. In the search box, we're going to type Hulk. And we are going to select the images we will be working with. After we select the images, we will see them in the bottom of the screen. We go ahead and insert images. After we insert the images, we're going ahead and size the images. We're just going to wait a few for this image to load. It's pretty big. That's why it's taken so long to load. Just going to zoom out the screen. And we're going to go ahead and start sizing the images. Let's get them out of the way first. Okay. Now, we're going to go ahead and size them to, they are a 4x6 because I'm using a 8x5 goodie bag. Click on the image, unlock, and change the size. There will be a 4x6. Then you lock again. Click on the image, unlock, size it 4x6. Lock it. Now for the fist will be 2x2. For the smashed wall, this will be 4x6 as well. You can leave the wall the way it is, but I want to create a background. I want to create a yellow background because the goodie bags will be light green. So what I do is I'm going to go ahead, go to Shapes. I'm going to add a square. And I'm going to change the color of that square. We go to the right-hand side, you click on the black circle, and you choose the color that you're going to use. I want this yellow. Click on the image, we're going to size it. Unlock, and it will be a 4x6. Lock. We take this image and we're going to put it on top of the square. It's going to go to the back. So what we do is we right click, move it to the front. Again, place it on the square. Highlight the image and we will flatten the image. And now it will be it's a print image. It will be just one image. After we size the images, change colors, adjust it to our liking, we're going to go ahead now. We flattened the image. Now we have to size it again. It changed the size a little bit, but it's okay. What we do is it's going to be a 4x6. We lock it and we are done. Once we're done, you see here, all this is print and cut. We click on Make It. If I have numerous, let's say orders, let's say I have 50 goodie bags to make. I don't like, in the copies, I don't like putting 50 here because I get overwhelmed looking at so many mats. So what I do, I leave it as is, and I'll just go ahead and click continue. Then when I send it to the printer, that's where I choose the copies I need. We choose the printer that you're using, and I choose the copies here, and then I click on print. Once it prints, you go ahead and upload your mat. It says it's printed. We upload the mat. It says it's uploaded, and we go ahead and press go. Once it cuts all your images, I'll be right back so we can go ahead and assemble the goodie bags. Okay, now that I created the images on Design Space, we're going to go ahead and put them together. I went ahead, when I printed out the Hulk, I'm using these 3D dots. So I just went ahead and placed 3D dots on the back of the image and placed it on the bag. See that it'll look like 3D. And then the second image, again with the dots. It looks like he's coming right at you. And then the third image with the dots. Now, for the one that I'm looking forward making is this one. I didn't cut it on the machine, on the Cricut, because it will be, to me, it will be time consuming because it's just a square. And the machine will just cut all around the square and that's it. So instead of putting mat by mat, I'm just going to go ahead and cut it with my paper trimmer. I forgot my paper trimmer, guys. I am so sorry. I bought my paper trimmer at AC Moore. I think it was like 20-something dollars, but I use a 50% coupon. And since it's not Cricut, it's Fiskars, I got it half price. Now, what I do is, I'll just take 4, I'll line it up, hold it, and cut. Take it out. I do this process with all the papers, and I do them. I can put more papers. I think it's up to 6 pages. Okay, now that my images are all cut out, I'm just gonna go ahead and assemble them. I have the background and I have the fist. The background, I will glue it to the bag. Hit all the edges, and do not apply a lot of glue on the edges because it will smudge all over the bag. Place it on the bag. I use Gorilla Glue. When I'm out of Gorilla Glue, I purchase my glue on Amazon in bulk, which is a very good glue. I take the fist and I'm just going to put 2 of these dots. to make it 3D. One in the corner and one in the corner. You center it and you press down for just maybe 10 seconds so it can hold on. Okay, and there you go. There is your 3D bag, your Hulk bag. You can always use another color bag, but I use light green because since Hulk is green. I tried it on black, but I wasn't like too satisfied with the black. I like with the bright color, with the bright green, looks good. I also tried it with the dark green and I didn't like it either. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and finish these and I'll put in some pictures. Happy crafting!